Hey everyone, Leon here. Welcome to my latest video. Today I'm excited to introduce the PRED web app. It's a powerful tool designed to enhance your data science projects by analyzing the performance of binary classification models. This isn't just another tool, it's like having a data scientist's Swiss Army knife right in your browser. So PRED stands for Precision Recall Evaluation Dynamics. With this app, you'll get an interactive experience that delivers raw curves, precision recall curves, class separation histograms, and confusion matrices right at your fingertips. Now I know what you're thinking, another analytics tool? But stick with me, this one's a game changer. Let's go ahead and dive into how you can harness the full potential of PRED. You're going to need a CSV file that has columns of actuals and predictions. And then you're going to go ahead and upload that file with just one click. Once uploaded, hit the Generate Curves button. This great button, while subtle, is your great way to unlocking a comprehensive visual display of your model's performance. Need data? No problem. Input your desired sample size, and with a single click, PRED will generate random data and corresponding plots. It's that easy. And if you want to take a closer look at your results, download the data as a CSV file. And this is going to allow you to save your actuals and predictions right to your device. Now the cool part. Let's talk results. Those curves on your screen, they're your model's report card. PRED's intuitive interface brings you a detailed raw curve highlighting the true positive versus false positive rates and a precision recall curve that balances your model's precision against recall, with key metrics like the average precision clearly annotated. Check out the class separation histogram to visualize the distribution of your classification scores and interpret your model's accuracy with a color-coded confusion matrix. Navigate through the app with ease. Hover over any point on the curves to reveal precise metrics for different thresholds. This feature-rich app even includes customizable options for sample size and robust error handling to guide you through the analysis process. The PRED web app is more than just a tool. It's your partner in demystifying data analysis and enhancing the accuracy of your predictive models. Oh, and see that show/hide documentation button down below? Toggle that to switch the instructions on or off as you need. It's there to help you out without crowding your space. And before I bounce, I've got a quick question for all of you. Take a look at those top buttons. You know, the ones for uploading data and generating those curves. They're sporting a pretty classic look right now. But what do you think? Should we jazz them up with a different color? Or do you prefer the clean, no-nonsense style? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback's super valuable. And who knows, your suggestion might just become part of the app's next update. So that's the scoop on the PRED web app. It's sleek, it's straightforward, and it'll give you the insights you need without any fuss. Dive in and see for yourself. And if you find it as handy as I do, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and share it with your data buddies. Catch you in the next one where we'll crack into more data science tools and tips. Until next time, keep those datasets happy and your insights insightful.